Hi everyone, welcome back to the video tutorials. In this video I'm going to go through a differential equation. This was suggested by some of my followers on Instagram. I put up a poll saying which topic would people like to go through. So as always, if you'd like to suggest your own topic or have any questions, feel free to message me. All of the details are on screen now. So to solve this differential equation, the technique that we're going to use is that we're going to use the separation of variables. So what does that mean? Basically, what that means is we want to get all of the x's onto one side and all of the y's onto the other side. And once we do that, that means we're going to be able to integrate both sides and get rid of the dy dx term in this differential equation. So let's do that. Because the dy is on top of this fraction, for the dy dx, we're going to move the y's onto the left hand side. So we're going to multiply through by y to the power minus 1/3 dy equals, and then keep all of the x's on this side, 9x plus 6 all over x dx. Now how comes we move the dx onto the other side? It's because we're going to integrate both sides. So now we've got two integrals. We've got one on the left, which is all in terms of y, and one on the right, which is all in terms of x. So now we can do these. So integrating this, we get 3 over 2 y to the power 2/3 is equal to, now how can we integrate this? Well, let's just think about what this is. So 9x plus 6 all over x is equal to 9 plus 6 over x, since we can split this fraction up. So integrating this, we get 9x plus 6 times the natural log of x plus c. Now, how are we going to work out what this plus c value is? Well, we've been given some conditions that the equation satisfies. So what that means is that we can plug into our equation the values x equals 1 and y equals 8. 3 over 2 times 8 to the power 2/3 equals 9 plus 6 ln 1 plus c. And now, since ln 1 equals 0, you can ignore that and rearrange to solve the value of c. And if you do that, we get that c is equal to minus 3. So now we can go back to our original equation, sub in the value of minus 3. We want to have the solution in the form y squared equals some function of x. So we're going to multiply through by 2/3 to get rid of this, and then we're going to cube both sides to get rid of the third power. So that means that y squared is equal to 2/3 9x plus 6 ln x minus 3 all cubed. And if we tidy that up, that is the same as 8 lots of 3x plus 2 ln x minus 1. And that's the final answer.